Do you want to pin someone on your Snapchat but you don't know how to do it? Then make sure to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pin someone on Snapchat on iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Snapchat. Now go to the chat session. At the top, you can see that I have just pinned two of my friends. Now how can you do that? Firstly, what you have to do is just select the person whom you wanna pin. Long press on it. Over here, you can find different options now. You have to choose the option of chat settings. You can see this option of pin conversation. Tap on it. Now just scroll up. You can see that I have just pinned one more friend. In this way, you can easily pin someone on Snapchat on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.